1 out of every 5 kids are bullied at school. Another 70% say they've seen bullying happening while they're at school. Bullying can lead to many things, including bad behavior, substance abuse, and even suicide. The fact that so many children have no defense to bullying or no concept on how to prevent it is the reason we created our Rise Above Bully workshop here at Lake County Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. We want to help as many kids in the Mundelein, Vernon Hills area rise above bullying by teaching them our 5 rules of engagement and our 3 T's to diffuse any bully situation. Now, if you're ready to have your child rise above bullying, have the confidence and knowledge to be able to diffuse any bully situation, all you have to do is click on the link below, fill out your child's information to secure their spot in our workshop. We only have 12 spots available in the workshop, and they will sell out. We like to say it takes a village to raise a child. We like to consider ourselves that village. I hope to see you at our workshop.